Today I'm going to review the Fifine T669 Condenser Studio Microphone. So let's get to it. My name is Michael Fire Jr. This channel is dedicated to helping you become a better YouTuber. If that's something you're into, please subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you know when I have new content that comes out. I've reviewed a bunch of different microphones on this channel before. We have the toner microphone that's right over there, and a bunch of lapel microphones as well. Fifine was kind enough to send me this T669 Condenser Studio microphone, and I've been looking for one of these for a long time. The usual studio microphone I use is this one right here. It's a shotgun microphone by Sennheiser. It is the MKE 600. I've been really happy with the performance of this microphone by Sennheiser, but it has its flaws. It's not really a microphone that's made for doing voiceovers or being in the studio. It's a shotgun microphone, and it's used best when out and about and pointed directly at someone. So it tends to pick up a lot of room reverb and things like that. What a condenser microphone does as opposed to a shotgun or boom microphone is it will have more of a directional sense. So in other words, as long as I have the volume button facing towards me, most of the audio will come from this direction. And there's all kinds of sound coming from that direction because, of course, right on the other side of the camera is a window and a very busy road. The other thing I'm hoping to eliminate with a studio condenser microphone is a lot of the reverb that this microphone picks up. And if I can eliminate that, I'll be really excited. So you should also know that really the prices aren't comparable on these two microphones. The Sennheiser microphone generally runs for around $300. It's a really high quality microphone. Whereas this Fifine microphone sells for $55 on Amazon. Now the major differences in the setup that I have running right now, the Sennheiser goes right to the 3.5-inch jack on my camera, whereas the Fifine is a USB microphone. Being a USB microphone is a blessing and a curse in some ways, and I'll tell you why. I have a very limited number of USB ports on my laptop, so it makes it really difficult to record audio. It also adds the extra step in editing because you have to sync your audio to your clip. Setup for the Fifine T669 was a breeze on my Mac. I plug it into the USB port, I go into the inputs, and I set it up so it's the microphone input. It's really that easy. Right now, the audio that you're hearing is coming from the Sennheiser MKE 600. This audio is coming from the Fifine T669 Condenser Studio microphone. After listening to both of these, I got exactly what I wanted with a really inexpensive $55 Fifine T669. I have to say that for the price, it's a really good studio condenser microphone. I couldn't believe how little room noise this little bugger picked up. And it really did block out a lot of the road sound from the other side of the camera. Furthermore, it's really easy to set up, and I would say that the Fifine T669 is like the perfect microphone if you're going to be doing podcasting, voiceovers, or live streaming. The Fifine microphone comes with all kinds of accessories so you can literally set it up anywhere. It has a portable mic stand so you can take it on the go and use it anywhere that you want to do a podcast or a live stream. It also has a boom arm that you can adjust and put the microphone anywhere you want on your desk. It comes with the black fuzzy thing and of course the pop filter screen as well. It also has a really long USB cable. It has everything that you would need to set this microphone up. Now I must say for $55, I'm not really sure what I was expecting, but it certainly exceeded my expectations. This little microphone is pretty friggin' awesome. If you're interested in checking this microphone out for yourself, there's a link in the description. I really think the Fifine T669 is the perfect inexpensive microphone for voiceover, podcasting, and live streaming. You really can't go wrong with it. And with all the accessories they send you, it's so portable, you can take it anywhere. If you're interested in seeing the review on that toner microphone right there, you can check this video out right here. Or if you just want to see a video YouTube recommends, check this one out right here. If becoming a better filmmaker and YouTuber is what you're into, please subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you know when I have new content that comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Go out there and film something awesome. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.